how to change the phone app, text call, language, or voice on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the menu button and then tap on settings. Now in call settings, tap on text call. After that, we scroll down. From here, you can choose language. So in the language list, go down the list and select a language that you would like to use. So here I will download the English United States language pack. So this one will take up 311 megabytes of storage space. I'll go back for now while it's downloading. To change the voice, all you have to do is tap on voice, and from here you can choose a voice that is available for that particular language.
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
You can also change your text call speech rate.
This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds. This is what it sounds like when you use text call. This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
And after that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.